Welcome back to Dalmark's 5-Minute Tips. Today we'll be creating a non-admin account to use instead of the administrator account. This practice can keep your PC more secure by removing administrator privileges from your account. First, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. On the menu, click on Settings. Then, click on Accounts. Here, you will see your account. On the left-hand side, click on Other Users. Under Other Users, click on Add someone else to this PC. Here, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Type the username you want and create a secure password. Here, choose your security questions and type your answers. Make sure you don't use real answers so that no one will be able to guess them. Also, make sure to write down your questions and answers and store them in a secure place. Now, sign out of the administrator account and sign into the new account you just created. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.